pretty easy. So here we have, like, let's say we have the whole number of 3 times 1/4. So what we're doing is we're just multiplying through 1/4 3 times. It's like level 1 where we did the repeated addition. You're just doing 4 1/4 plus 1/4 plus, why isn't my thing working? There we go, plus 1/4 is all you're doing. So you know how to add fractions. You just add your numerators. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and then your denominator is 4. And I showed you this in the other video, that there's this invisible 1 underneath our 3 here, and you don't have to write that, but it might just help you. So you would multiply 3 times 1, which is 3, and then 1 times 4, which is 4, and we get the exact same answer of 3/4. So let me show you another one. So that one you had a regular fraction. It wasn't an improper fraction. You had 3 as your numerator and 4 as your denominator, like a regular fraction. And then let's say we get an answer that doesn't have a regular fraction. Let me look at my notes and try to find one. Like, let's say you had 12 times 1/3. Wow, my pen isn't working. 12 times 1/3. Once again, you would just you could sit there and write out 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 12 times, but that would take forever. So you would just do your multiplication. Multiply your whole number and your numerator. 12 times 1, which is 12. And then that invisible 1's there, but I'm not going to write it. So it would just be your denominator is 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. And from here, you could just divide your 12 and 3. 12 divided by 3, which is 4, or you could just keep it like 12/3. Either answer is correct, because with this improper fraction, you would just divide it and get 4 as your answer. You guys can text me if you, or like on the chat if you have any questions, but I'll do one more and then I bet you guys could pass this level. So let's do 8 times 1/2. So once again, you just multiply your whole number in your numerator, 8 times 1, which is 8, and then you write your denominator, which gets you 8/2. You can take the extra step and divide that and get 4 as your answer as well. Either answer would be correct. Just make sure you only put one of the answers. If you put both, that would be wrong. Either give me 8/2 or 4 as your answers. Okay, you guys can unmute yourself if you'd like, and